If you spend all day on your feet, you know that throbbing pain that just won't go away when you get home. It's miserable. I got tired of asking my partner for foot rubs, so I went out and bought the top 5 most popular foot massagers on the market. I tested them for heat, squeeze intensity, and actual pain relief to see which one is a miracle worker and which one is just a noisy box. Product number 1, Best Choice Products Heated Shiatsu Foot Massager. I started with this open-style massager from Best Choice Products. When I pulled it out of the box, the first thing I noticed was the handle bar. It rotates 360 degrees, which actually acts as a stand so you can tilt the machine. This is huge because it let me use it on my calves and even my arms on a table, not just my feet. It doesn't enclose your feet like a cave, so if you get claustrophobic, this is perfect. The heat gets surprisingly warm, hitting around 122 degrees, which felt amazing on my arches. The massage itself uses these rolling nodes that dig in pretty deep. I loved that it came with a remote, so I didn't have to bend over to change the settings. If you want something versatile that isn't just for your feet, this is a fantastic, budget-friendly option. Product number 2, RENPHO Full Foot Massager Machine. Next, I tried the classic RENPHO machine. This is the cave style that fully encloses your foot. Putting my feet inside, it felt snug, and I wear a size 11. It fits up to a size 13. The fabric liner zips out, which is great because, let's be honest, feet sweat and being able to wash that is a must. The sensation here is totally different. It uses a rolling stick and rotation ball on the bottom, but it also uses air compression to squeeze the sides of your feet. It felt like a blood pressure cuff tightening and releasing, which really helped my circulation. It's intense, though even on the medium setting, it really goes to work on your plantar fasciitis. If you want that squeeze and knead combo that covers the whole foot, this is the standard to beat. Product number 3, RENPHO Foot Massager Machine upgraded with remote. I also tested the upgraded version of the RENPHO. Visually, it looks similar to the last one, but when I held it, I noticed the foot chambers are definitely larger. This one accommodates up to a size 14, so if you have big feet, this is the one you need to look at. The biggest upgrade here is the control. It comes with a remote, which the standard model lacks, but also you can control the knead intensity and the squeeze intensity separately. On the older model, they were tied together. I loved being able to set the squeeze to high but the kneading to low when my soles were sensitive. The heat is soothing without burning. If you need a custom fit for larger feet and want precise control over the pressure, this upgraded model is worth the extra cash. Product number 4, Cloud Massage Shiatsu Foot Massager. Then I moved on to the Cloud Massage. This thing looks serious, almost like medical equipment. It doesn't enclose your foot, it uses a heavy-duty open bar design. When I set it up, I realized this isn't for a gentle tickle, this is for deep tissue therapy. I adjusted the bar to target my calves, and wow, the pressure is strong. It's specifically designed for things like neuropathy and severe plantar fasciitis. It digs deep into the muscle tissue. My favorite part is that because it's open, you can position your foot exactly where the pain is, heel, arch, or toes. It's pricey, but the build quality is heavy and durable. If you are in genuine pain and need a massage that feels like a physical therapist's hands digging in, this is the heavy hitter. Product number 5, RENPHO Shiatsu Foot Massager 4-in-1. Finally, I tested the RENPHO 4-in-1. This feels like the luxury hybrid of the group. It has a 270-degree adjustable support bar that feels incredibly sturdy. I was able to transition from a foot massage to a calf massage in 2 seconds just by tilting the bar back. The cavity is massive, 7 inches wide, so your legs don't feel pinched. What stood out was the heating. It heats the top and bottom, hitting the instep, which none of the others did. The magnetic remote is a clever touch so you don't lose it. The air compression combined with the kneading on my calves was arguably the most relaxing experience of the bunch. If you want the ultimate relaxation station that handles your legs just as well as your feet, this is the premium choice. So if you just need a quick foot rub, the standard RENPHO is great, but if you need serious calf and leg relief, that 4-in-1 is hard to beat. I've dropped links to all 5 of these massagers in the description so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching, and I hope your feet feel better soon.